Hey everybody, so my so-r1 humanoid robot project has undergone a lot of upgrades since the last time I posted. I've been incorporating a lot of 3D printing for the body of my robot as well as some of the mechanics, especially by making gears for my motors, and overall it's been pretty good, pretty decent, and I'm going to demonstrate here in a second. And here is some of the neck movement using an L298N motor driver, an Arduino, and a joystick. Down and up. Center. And that's pretty much it for the neck portion. And as of right now, what I'm designing is a hinge for the arm. Let's get a better look at that. This is in my CAD software, which I'm going to print later on. And this is going to be mounted onto this gear. So the hinge will be extruding from here and have another gear placed here with the motor attached to that to create a shoulder. And that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys soon.